In this video, we're gonna talk about estimate product, how we can estimate a product from two factors. For example, in here we have 46 times 72. There's only one thing that we have to remember. If we want to estimate a product, first we have to round the factors. This is the most important thing. For example, we have 46 times 72. If we want to write it vertically, it will be 46 times 72. But now we don't multiply them. Now we will round the numbers. For rounding the numbers, we will round them to the greatest place value. For example, the greatest place value that we have here is tens, so I'm gonna round it to the tens. Then I'll check on the right side, next digit we have 2. That one means round down, so it will be 70 times. Here the greatest place value is tens, same, so we check on the right side, which is round up. We have 6, so it's gonna be, the 4 will be 5 and the rest will be 0. Now we will find this product, the product for that, not this one. Since we have 2 zeros at the end of the numbers, so we write 2 zeros here, then we just multiply the other digits. 5 times 7, which is 35. Another example. For example, we have 389 times 24. Same, we will round the numbers, the factors, to the greatest place value. The greatest place value that we have here is hundreds. Then I'll check on the right side, right digit, which is 8. 8 means round up, so it will be 3 becomes 4 and the rest will be 0 times, here it's round down, so it will be 20. Then 3 zeros at the end of the numbers, we write 3 zeros here. 2 times 4 will be 8. Last example, I want you to pause the video and try to do it yourself. I'm gonna start solving it in 3, 2, 1. Same, we will round the numbers. If we want to estimate it, I'll round it to the greatest place value. The greatest place value in this factor that we have is thousands. Then we check on the right side, we have 0. 0 means round down, so 8 stays the same and the rest will be 0 times, for that one it's round up because we have 8 on the right side, so 7 will be 8 and the 8 will be 0. Now same, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll write 4 zeros and multiply the other digits, which is 8 times 8, 60.